Melissa from Metals and Pieces here with another amazing unboxing, and this time I don't even know what we're getting. It's that crazy. So we received here, really to the side, this lovely purple package from Aim to Please Designs by Amy Profit. I know I've gotten her stuff beforehand. I've gotten like glasses, cases that were absolutely amazing. I know she's also making masks, but I have no clue what's in this package right now. I told her that I love blue, but I don't know. I do know that it's a lovely purple iridescence, and she's got her gorgeous sticker on here, so you guys can see. You can see the sticker, right? Oh, let me put it on this camera. And together we're going to open it and find out what's inside. So let's get started, all right? Before we get started, if you love these unboxing videos and you want to see more of them, make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe so you are aware of any new videos that come out. We will be starting an orbit sometime soon. For those who don't know, an orbit is one video a day for 365 days. But we're gonna do it. I will let you know as soon as that gets closer, and I really should not be waving scissors around. So yeah, here we go. Let's go ahead. I don't see any kind of pull tab, so we're just gonna cut carefully here. Am I cutting like in the right spot? No, I'm cutting below the tape. That so does not work. Oh my god. I had coffee this afternoon. I should not have coffee in the afternoon. Yeah, let's try there. So I'm always like nervous that there's gonna be fabric or something near the top of an envelope. And I don't want to cut through something that I purchased and whatnot, but we'll see how this goes. Cutting carefully. How's it going? Oh, okay, we got a little bit of overlap here, so we're good. Can cut a little more bravely. Yeah, I'm the kind of person who on the Christmas presents, I totally... Ah! What happened? Okay, so that whole time that I was cutting, I didn't realize that for whatever reason we weren't recording. So again, here's our lovely purple package with our lovely sticker, and I have been very carefully cutting away at this package, and we're almost done. So now we're recording, yay, it's all cut. All right, let's see, what did we get? What did we get? What did we get? I don't know. Pull it out, dump. Dump. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got candy. What did we get here? We have, ooh, amber ginger rock candy. Nice. I don't eat candy, but that's okay. If I did, that would be awesome. And look at this. Look at how lovely this is. Aim to Please Designs. Oh my gosh. Let's look at the note first. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? First off, it's in this lovely cellophane plastic right here. So that just like totally ups the ante. There's nothing lost. There's all these cards are all together. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I open packaging and you dump everything out, but something sticks inside the envelope and everything else. So yeah. First off, we have a gazillion business cards. We have 5 business cards here, and you guys can see this is Amy's business card, handcrafted bags and accessories. And she's got all of her lovely contact info on the back of the card. Very pro Amy, love it. Okay, I'm thinking we got masks because we have a disclaimer here. Standard disclaimer, wash, sterilize, washable and reusable face mask, that's great. Keep them nice, line dry, all right. And product care, what's this one again? Very, very super pro going on here. We got product care, we got a lovely note. Hi Melissa, enjoy the mask. There's an extra one in there for you. Thank you for being you. Let me know which one you like best, Amy. We are going to know, Amy. You are totally going to know which one I like best. So, here we go. Let's see. So you see how lovely. She's got her branded tissue paper here. There's a sticker on it. It's like, I almost don't want to tear the sticker. But we did. We did tear the sticker. Okay. Okay, what do we got? What do we have? Tissue paper. We have tissue paper. We have a, oh my god, that takes time folding stuff incorrectly. Quality controlled with love for you, okay? And, woohoo, we got blue! We have a mask with a thread, that's okay. I was a seamstress for like many years, I totally understand threads. So, ooh, it's got that nice metal in the top, so let's see. How's the fit? I have ears back there, and... not bad, not bad. There we go. There we go. We have a mask. Ta-da! And you guys can see here the lovely blue color, blue with purple, because purple is totally her branding color. And ooh, it's got the slidey thingies on the back. So you can adjust. And like I would need to pull the top part tight and keep the bottom part loose. But there we go. Okay. So that's item number 1. That's in here. We'll set tissue paper to the side. I might have to like throw tissue paper around later. And here is item number 2. This one's a little bit thicker packaging. So let's see what we got. What do we get? I feel like I need a drum roll sound effect here. We have, that's it, I'm tearing. So we have another quality controlled label or insert. And what's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Ooh. Take a look. We got green. My nephew is 2 and he says green. It's his favorite color. For him, everything is green. So we have this mask right here. This is one of her, I think it's called a 3D mask. So you can see, I really like how this is set up with, let's see, is there a top or a bottom? No, it doesn't, I guess it doesn't need an insert because of the way that it's pleated and stitched. And again, we have these awesome, look at this, sliders on here. Moving pretty easy. So let's see how this one works. And I kind of feel bad that I'm wearing makeup and lipstick, but let's see. Ooh, that's kind of nice with glasses. Look at that. It like fits under the chin and over the nose really nice. This is cool, Amy. Thank you. This is awesome. And let's see what else we got. We have green and we have gray, which is like my second favorite color after blue or blue orange gray. But yeah, look at that. So, like, I don't know, I love seeing, I was a seamstress, so I love seeing how stuff is put together. This is really awesome. These are amazing. Thank you so much, Amy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. So, this is outstanding here. Oh my God. All right, so there we go. Let's move the tissue paper aside and we can show off that we have 4 masks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a blue for 5. Wow. Yeah, that blue is definitely the one that she said was for me. Thank you so much, Amy. These masks are awesome. Your packaging and branding is so spot on, delicious. Mwah. Did I do that right? I don't think I did that right. That's not the correct chef move. But whatever. We're all good. So thank you so much, Amy. These are amazing. I will be giving you guys a clickable link right in the description down below. And right here are all the places that you can find Amy online, all of her social medias, her groups, her blah, 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 blah. And you guys totally want to follow her. You want to check her out and get, if you need some of these amazing masks. I also have, hang on, Amy also has these outstanding glasses cases. So this is how I first found Amy. And look at this cork. Like, this is all rainbow. I think it's Portuguese cork, and then it's got the rainbow splatters on it. So cool. She's got her lovely little hang tag right here. And like, look at this. It unzips totally right like that. And of course, like, come on, you know me, blue. And it's a fantastic glasses case. Not that, you know, like, I need my eyeballs to see right there, but for you guys to see, fits in beautiful. Look at that. Spectacular. So if you want to see more amazing cork products like these fantastic glasses cases or bags and wallets and such, you can definitely check Amy out for that, along with the masks. So there we go. Also, make sure that you check out my It's Your Shot collection. It is my brand new collection full of everything you need for back to school, from fashion down to bookmarks. Hell yes, this is a bullet casing bookmark. Can you see that? Yep, they're all available at metalsandpieces.com. Link also right in the description. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more crazy Melissa awesomeness, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! 3, 2, 1, we are live. Well, not really live. No, this is YouTube, not Facebook. What am I saying? Woo! Woo!